Hey guys, so today I'll be making shrimp fried rice, but I'll be adding tilapia and pineapples for the first time. These are the veggies that I'll be using today. You could go ahead and add whatever veggies you like in your fried rice. I'm just gonna go ahead and saute mine right now. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp and my tilapia to the mixture. Stir them in nicely. I like mine crisp but not too crisp. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my pineapples, my broccoli, and my egg to the mixture. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice. Make sure it's mixed evenly. Now is the time. If you have soy sauce, you go ahead and add your soy sauce. I don't have any, so I'm just gonna do without in this one. And there you have it. Your fried rice is ready and it's smelling so delicious, guys. I can smell the pineapples. I love this. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on these videos. Thank you guys.